exciting day today. We're kicking off at our Creek House project. The guys are starting demolition right behind us. Let's go take a look.
All right guys, so a quick little rundown on what we've got going on for this project. So where I'm standing now is actually going to be the middle of the new living room. This whole two-story structure you see behind me is going to get completely demolished and a brand new high-performance two-story addition come onto the back of this home. Okay, so coming off the side of the new living room, this section where I'm walking down to here, this is going to be a brand new hardwood decking alfresco area. It's going to be a nice big curved steel beam on here with some cables across to grow some vines. The idea of the curves in this place is to follow the natural curve at the back of the block overlooking the creek. So the features of this new addition is going to be a new kitchen, living and dining open plan area down here with a laundry and a WC off behind it. Upstairs is going to be a brand new master retreat with a master bedroom, nice beautiful walk-in robe and ensuite.
Throughout our pre-construction process, we do a site investigation with all trades prior to commencing on site. That's where we've discovered that there is asbestos in the second story cladding. We've got a team coming out today and they're going to remove it for us.
The outside of this new second story addition will be finished with WeatherTex cladding featuring UPVC high performance windows. We're so excited to take you along this build journey. Stay tuned for more updates.
My bow tie on, Dad? You tucking it in there?
Yeah, just put that on. Yeah. It feels like a father-son thing.
Me to yell, or can you hear me? No, you've got the mic. Okay.